Hello, my name is Tom Kelly from Teagasc, and I want to share with you our experiences of managing large-scale peer-to-peer exchange programs, mainly through discussion groups and demonstration farms in Ireland. So there are 4 critical components in organising peer-to-peer learning: having experienced facilitators, credible and detailed farm data, research, media and industry backup, and finally branding. And I'd like to talk about each one of these 4 just for a few minutes, very briefly. So facilitation is important. Advisors need basic skills of planning, listening, questioning, observing, controlling, timekeeping, etc. And they can be taught to facilitate group learning, and we generally use the sectoral modules to do this. Participants also need encouragement and involvement, and it's key whether it's in demonstration farms or discussion groups. Participants' ownership of the processes is also important. I'd like to reference the Teagasc Discussion Group Facilitators Handbook, which is published this year, and I've provided a link for that for you. The second component is farm data and information. So detailed, current and verifiable data, both physical and financial, is important. Comparable data using common benchmark tools is available or having it available in real time or at regular intervals is important. This allows farmers to compare data with each other and to makes much more meaningful the use of these data and metrics from different farms. Their involvement in the data collection and analysis is important. So we use tools like the Profit Monitor, which is a financial and physical benchmarking. We use the ICBF cattle breeding analysis and the pasture-based grass measurement database. We also find it is very important that there is research, media and industry backup. The consistency and complementarity of information within the wider AKIS is important. Farmers will be influenced more by practices if the message is clear, consistent and repeated often enough. And we must always remember that every practice change on a farm is an experiment for that individual farmer, and it's really worthy of the interest of the advisor and other farmers. 2 excellent Horizon 2020 projects, the AGRI demo project and the FOTT project, examine best practices and the value of networking farmer demonstrations and practices. Finally, I'd like to mention branding. And branding of initiatives is important in that it creates a profile for the activities and the events around that particular project or that program. It also identifies the advisors and farmers and other actors involved. Branding helps with media platforms and with industry partners who need to differentiate the initiative and evaluate its cost benefit. 2 examples again are the Kerry Monitored Farm Programme, which is over 25 years in existence, and the more recent Green Acres Calf to Beef Programme, again, which is an excellent programme. I want to thank you very much for your attention.